Today we have Dr. Deven with us, who is the professor of surgery, head and neck at AJ Medical College. Welcome, Dr. Deven, on this show. My first question to you, Doctor, what is your opinion and how you think, how you going to treat, or you have any protocol to treat this COVID-19 patients or viewers?
So thank you very much for this kind honor. Now I will give a brief overview of this entire thing, looking at the way the virus is and how any virus is. What does a virus do? The moment it gets a chance, it jumps to a human and starts to replicate. Now what will a human do is it will initiate the initial defense processes of viral immunity. When the body realizes that it is not having the requisite capacity, what can the body do? It can arrest viral replication by increasing the body temperature. Now this happens few days, 1 or 2 days after the virus has gained access to the body. Now what should we as humans do? The moment we have the prodromal symptom, that is a slight itch or a pain in the throat, a slight feverish feeling, a feeling of tiredness, slight temperature, instantly we can assist the body in its second line of defense, and that is by increasing our own body temperature. If you observe, when animals become sick, what do? They straight go and sit in bright hot sunlight, thereby increasing their body temperature. How can we do that? By frequent sipping of hot water. I repeat again, by frequent sipping of hot water. Keep hot water in a flask, half a glass every 15 minutes. Keep sipping until you sweat.
It's sizzling hot.
Sizzling hot, keep it in a flask, take half a glass, and then tolerable temperature. You can't be burning and scalding your mouth by it, but tolerable hotness, and keep sipping, which is tolerable. And when you keep doing that, when the body temperature increases by 1 degree Celsius, what does the body do? It attempts to bring it down because it is not yet ready for an immune fight through temperature, and therefore we start sweating. The moment you start sweating, it is a clear indication that the body temperature has gone up. Now if you keep doing that throughout the day, for the next 2 days, that is 48 hours time, viral replication will stop and the body's innate antiviral defense mechanism will kick in and completely inactivate the virus and kill it. If a person feels that he is getting infected, or even I often tell, if you have gone to an epidemic zone where there is no case of coronavirus, come back for the next 48 hours, keep sipping hot water till the body temperature increases. In that 48 hours time, the body's immune defenses will kick in and clear the viral load. What is the prime intent? To clear off the viral load and kill it. Now, why are people dying? When you look at why are people dying when the immune system is not adequate enough? So, therefore, our focus should be to increase the immune levels of the population at large. What is the basis of the immune system of the human body? Primarily, it is red. Which is why when we say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Why do we say an apple? Because when you cut an apple, it becomes red, showing it has a rich content of iron. Earlier we knew that if we had adequate iron stores, the body's immunity will increase. The second thing of immunity is zinc. Zinc is the second cornerstone of immunity. And of course we had Linus Pauling, a double Nobel laureate, who talked about vitamin C. Now the main defense mechanism that first kicks in is called humoral immunity, which is antibodies. And to create antibodies, we must have adequate amino acids. What do you mean by amino acids? We get amino acids from... Now, let us have a look at the nature's ingredients which will give these things. Number 1, amino acids by sprouts. Number 2, vitamin C from fresh lime. Number 3, iron, either apple or black raisins. It is black because of its iron content. And number 4, zinc. The high zinc content is in papaya, watermelon seeds. So if you have either these as natural ingredients or if you have them as supplements, to a large extent the body gets a fighting chance to fight this virus. So therefore I want to re-emphasize very clearly, because my belief is that in the initial 48 hours, when the person feels that he is infected, do we have this as an interventional therapeutic option advocated by anybody as of now? No. In the first 48 hours, frequently keep sipping hot water till you start sweating. Maintain that for 48 hours. The body gets a fighting chance to fight. The viral replication will stop. The body will fight the virus and clear it. We should have a clear focus on increasing immunity. We should look at immune enhancement by asking patients either to supplement or take these natural foods. I repeat again, sprouts, lime, fresh lime, black raisins, and the seeds of papaya or watermelon, because they contribute adequate zinc. In the start itself, if they have a premonition or a prodromal symptom, a slight fever, body ache, sore throat, and they start this hot water drinking, not a single death should happen, because my advocacy will be only enhance the natural immune system of the human body by giving what the body requires to fight it. I repeat again, what are the natural ingredients? Amino acids, iron, vitamin C, zinc. If a person has adequate of this, his natural immunity will be far superior. We do not have adequate zinc containing foods in our diet, zinc being the second pillar cornerstone of immunity. This is what we should do.
So according to you, to increase the immunity, we should have a zinc tablet or something like that?
Iron, which comes from black raisins or black dates. Vitamin C, that comes from fresh lime. Amino acids, that come from sprouted grains. And zinc, which is found to be rich in papaya, watermelon seeds.
Okay, so according to you, it's all natural thing which
Yes.
can increase our immunity, correct?
Yes.
Today, Dr. Deven clarified the doubts about coronavirus, and you have mentioned that instead of going for such type of treatments, what is prevailing right now, why not a very simple thing? If we will increase our immunity by taking those things which are naturally available, one can have, and at initial stage you feel that you have a sore throat or slight temperature, increase the body temperature by sipping the hot water, and otherwise increase intake of omega-3 by natural things like what you have already explained. One can survive in this present scenario. Thank you very much, Dr. Deven, for coming on this show.